This Instagram page has gained 147,000 plus followers by creating these simple AI Ghibli-style cooking videos. Almost every video gets thousands of views, and many of them have even reached millions of views. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make videos like these using just one master prompt. So, let's get started. Before we begin, I want to tell you about Videfy AI. You'll find the link in both the description and the pinned comment below. With Videfy AI, you can generate AI videos, create AI images, and access a wide range of AI tools, all in one place. The interface is clean, well-organized, and easy to navigate. For this tutorial, we'll use Gen AI, so simply click on it. Here you'll find several AI tools, including text-to-image, text-to-video, image-to-image, image-to-video, audio-to-video, video-to-video, image-to-avatar, and upscale, which lets you enhance the quality of your images and videos. Now, head over to ChatGPT, paste this master prompt, and press Enter. First, ChatGPT will ask you to choose the chef's character. For this tutorial, I'm selecting option 2, so simply type 2 and press Enter. Next, ChatGPT will ask what your character should cook. I'll choose pasta, so type pasta and press Enter. Then, ChatGPT will ask for the video duration. I'm choosing 20 seconds. Now ChatGPT will generate 2 scenes. The first scene includes both an image prompt and a video prompt, while the second scene includes only a video prompt. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now copy the image prompt from scene 1, then go back to Videfy AI and paste it here. First, choose your preferred style. There are plenty of styles available, and for this tutorial, I'm selecting the anime style. Next, choose an image generation model. You'll find several options, including Seedream V 4.5, Nano Banana, Nano Banana 2, Nano Banana Pro, and many more. For this tutorial, I'm using Nano Banana Pro. Now, select the 9:16 aspect ratio and click Generate. Our image is now being generated. After a few seconds, it's ready, and the image quality looks really impressive. Now it's time to generate the video. Click on the generated image, select all the existing text, and delete it. Next, copy the video prompt from scene 1 and paste it here. Now select the image to video option, then choose a video generation model. Make sure your generated image has been added under image references. You'll find several video models here, including Veo 3.1, Seedance 2.0, Grok Imagine, and many more. One thing I like is that Videfy AI gives you multiple model options, so you can choose the one that best fits your needs. For this tutorial, I'm choosing Grok Imagine. I also tested Veo 3.1, and the quality is excellent. For this tutorial, I'm going with Grok Imagine. Now select the 9:16 aspect ratio, set the resolution to 720p, choose a duration of 10 seconds, and click Generate. The video generation has started. In my experience, it took about 2 minutes to generate, and the quality turned out really impressive. Now click on the generated image again. Select Image to Video, copy the video prompt from scene 2, paste it here, keep the same model, aspect ratio, resolution, and 10-second duration, then click Generate, and that's it. Both videos are ready. Now download both videos. After a little editing, here's the final result. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you'd like to try Videfy AI, go check it out. The link is in both the description and the pinned comment below. You can also explore Videfy AI's plans to find the one that best fits your needs. If you do try it, let me know your experience in the comments. I'd also love to know if you'd like to see more tutorials featuring Videfy AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.